This is Samsung Galaxy F54, and today I would like to share a few useful tips and tricks for this device. So to start, I will show how you can increase and improve the motion smoothness, animations smoothness, and overall like the display refresh rate. In order to do that, go into Settings, Display, Motion Smoothness, and set it to Adaptive. Then apply the changes, and now you'll get smoother scrolling and animations, as you can clearly see now. Another option that I wanted to recommend you try out is called the Eye Comfort Shield. So enable it here. As you can see, it pretty much tints the screen amber, making all the colors, reducing the amount of blue light your display produces, and replacing them with warmer colors. So what this feature is useful for is the fact that your eyes are getting tired less. So if you have like long phone using sessions, it will definitely help you to reduce the eye fatigue. You can even set it to custom mode and adjust the color temperature manually, make it warmer, colder, just configure it to your preferences. Another feature that I wanted to recommend you try is called Always on Display. In order to activate it, you'll need to go into Settings, Lock Screen, Always on Display. So now let's switch it on. Here you set its display mode, so the conditions under which it will be displayed once you tap, once some scheduled time frames are met, or once any new notifications arrive. So I will set it to the Show Always display mode, so it will be better to demonstrate. Here you can customize it. Obviously, you can set and change the color or the clock style and color and so on. Like you can make it digital, you can make it analog, you can even set the image clock like this one and apply some sticker, AR emoji, theme, Bitmoji, or custom picture from your gallery as well. I honestly do not think I have any photos in my gallery. As you can see, I have no items here, but that's fine. If you'll have any, you will be able to upload them here. So let's say I'll go with a sticker then, like this one looks cute. Then done, save. What else you can also switch on and switch off the music information. You can change the orientation of your AOD or always on display between portrait and landscape. You can enable the automatic brightness for it or disable it respectively. You can read about it and content. Well, that's it, I guess. So now let's look at it. That's what your AOD or always on display or pick display will look like. It will show some essential information, so you will not have to unlock your screen in order to see what time is it, what date is it, and so on. Another feature that I wanted to show you today, guys, is the performance-related feature called RAM Plus. Once enabled, it allows you to get additional random access memory gigabytes, though they will be of a virtual nature rather than physical, obviously, but still it will improve your device's performance, speed it up significantly, if you ask me. In order to activate this feature, you gotta go into the battery category of settings or battery and device care. Here, not battery, excuse me, I meant the device care category. Yep, so here tap at the memory, then open the RAM Plus, select the amount. Firstly you will need to switch it on, then select the amount of additional gigabytes you would like to get, anywhere between 2 and 8 gigabytes, as you can see, and then reboot your phone so those changes will be properly applied. And well, that'll be it. The option will be enrolled this way. And the final feature that I wanted to reveal today is the camera one. So let's launch the camera here. The feature is the whole another camera mode. So let's go into more. It is called the Director's View, and it allows you to simultaneously take pictures and record videos from both the main and selfie cameras here. You can change different layouts. Well, let me raise my phone a little. So there are different zooms here, and we'll just use it this way, simultaneously recording from both your cameras. Well, I guess that will be it, not only for the last tip, but for this video in general. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.